In the previous tutorial about the Flutter Doctor, the result of diagnostic, we found that we need to install several dependencies. The first one is we need to install the Android Studio application. So please download the latest version of Android Studio and install it. Please click the More action, then click the SDK Manager, click the SDK Tools menu, then give check to Android SDK Command Line Tools.